Hello friends, welcome back in another lecture in the series of lectures in probability and statistics. Today I am going to talk about the new topic, that is sampling. Often in practice in the real life situation आपने देखा होगा जब भी हमारे पास कोई एक लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स आएगा जिसको हम पॉपुलेशन बोलेंगे, अगर उस पर हमने कुछ वैलिड कंक्लूजन निकालना है, बिकॉज हम पूरे ग्रुप को एग्जामिन नहीं कर सकते हैं, सो इंस्टेड ऑफ एग्जामिनिंग द एंटायर ग्रुप that is called population, we examine a very small part of that group, that entire group, or you see the population, and that small part of the population is called sampling. And idea behind it is हमको सैंपल से जो रिजल्ट्स आएंगे, थ्रू दोज रिजल्ट्स we will deduce certain facts about the population, right? For example, and certain fact about the population, right? And this process is known as statistical inference, and the process of obtaining sample and the process of obtaining samples is called as sampling. इस पूरे प्रोसेस को हम स्टैटिस्टिकल इन्फ्रेंस बोलते हैं, एंड जो सैंपल हमारे को इस प्रोसेस से आएगा दैट इज कॉल्ड एज, and the process of obtaining sample is called as sampling, right? For example, let us suppose number 1, to draw a conclusion about the fairness of a particular coin by tossing it repeatedly, right? Here population, that is the entire group. Here population consists of all possible tosses of a coin, and a sample could be obtained by examining first 20 tosses of a coin. Let us see 20, 10, 30, 40, 50, whatever it is, right? So population is the all the possible tosses of a coin, and sample could be obtained by examining first 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 tosses of a coin, right? Let us take another example. To draw a conclusion about the height or weight of 20,000 students, right? जिसको हम पॉपुलेशन बोल देंगे, 20,000 स्टूडेंट्स को पॉपुलेशन by examining only 100 स्टूडेंट्स, इसको हम सैंपल बोलेंगे. 100 student, this is called a sample, selected selected from this population. Let's take another example, right? To draw a conclusion about the color of 500 marbles. 500 मार्बल्स को हम पॉपुलेशन बोलेंगे. दिस इज पॉपुलेशन इन एन अर्न by selecting a sample of 10 marbles from the urn, where each marble selected is returned after its color is noted. So this means sampling. So large group is a population and small part of this population is a sample, and this process of obtaining sample is called as a sampling, right? Random sampling means it's a technique in which each unit of population has an equal chance of being included in it, right? That is, what does this mean? This means if we take a sample of size small n from a finite population of size capital N, then what I'm doing here, I'm taking a sample of size n from a finite population of size n. Then there are capital N, C, small n. This is number of combination of n things taken small n times, NCN combination. NCN possible samples means total possible samples जो इसमें होंगे वो होंगे हमारे पास NCN, right? And each of these NCN samples has a equal chance of being selected. Equal chance of being selected is known as random sampling, right? And the sample obtained by this technique is called as random सैंपल. इस टेक्निक से जो आपको सैंपल आएगा उसको हम रैंडम सैंपल बोलेंगे. एंड रैंडम सैम्पलिंग मीन्स पॉपुलेशन का हर एक यूनिट दैट हैव इक्वल चांस ऑफ बीइंग इंक्लूडेड. सैंपल में उसको हम ले सकते हैं. दैट मीन्स रैंडम सैम्पलिंग, राइट. एंड सैंपल स्टैटिस्टिक्स. नाउ व्हाट इज सैंपल स्टैटिस्टिक्स? लेट x1 x2 dash dash xn be a sample of size n, of the random variable variables x1 x2 dash dash xn respectively. Means x1 is a uh, sample of is the first sample from random variable x1, x2 is the second sample from random variable xn, x2, and xn is the last sample from a random variable xn. Then the sample statistics, then the sample statistic is a function of is a function of these is a function of these random variables, these random variables means x1, x2, xn. That is sample g. Let us suppose function of these random variables function of g of x1, x2 dash dash xn. So this is a sample statistic g, which is function of random variable x1, x2, xn, and which is itself a random variable, which is itself a random variable represented by g of x1, x2 dash dash xn, small x1, x2, xn, xn. So sample statistics is a function of random variable and which is itself a random variable, right? And will be written like this: g small of x1, x2, xn. So that means sample statistics. So sample statistics simply means this is a function of a random variable, right? Now come to the next is sampling distribution. Sampling distribution means the probability distribution of a sample statistics. Sample statistic का जो probability distribution होगा उसको हम sampling distribution बोलेंगे. That is, so what does this mean? We can consider all possible samples of size n that can be drawn from the population and for each sample we compute the statistic, right? So probability distribution of sample status means we consider all the possible samples of size n that is drawn from the population, and for each sample, for example sample x1, x2, xn, we compute statistics. इसका हम statistics निकालेंगे in this way we obtained the distribution of statistic, which is its sampling distribution, So what is sampling distribution of statistics? Means हम जो सैंपल लेंगे साइज n का फ्रॉम द पॉपुलेशन, फॉर ईच ऑफ दी सैंपल वी विल कंप्यूट स्टैटिस्टिक्स, राइट? मेन which is its sampling distribution. Now come to the next, that is sample mean. Let capital X1, X2 dash dash xn be independent identically distributed random variables from a random sample of size n, and this random sample has been taken from the population, right? And some size n, then the mean of sample, then the mean of मीन ऑफ द सैंपल और और सैंपल मीन भी बोलते इसको हम, और सैंपल मीन इज इटसेल्फ a random variable, is itself a random variable and is defined as, इसको हम डिफाइन कैसे करेंगे, इसको हम डिनोट करते हैं कैपिटल एक्स बार से, एंड डिफाइन करेंगे वन अपॉन एन सम ऑफ ऑल दिस रैंडम वेरिएबल x1 प्लस x2 प्लस सो ऑन xn. So x bar means sample mean या mean of the sample, right? Note, if small x1 small x2 dash dash small xn denotes values obtained in a particular sample of size n, then mean of the sample or sample mean is given as, इसको हम कैसे देंगे तब, is given as, इसको हम स्मॉल x बार से तब डिनोट करेंगे, ये वैल्यूज है इन रैंडम वेरिएबल्स x1 x2 xn की, राइट? x1 is the value of random variable x1, similarly xn is the value of random variable xn, so this will be given like this one, x1 plus x2 so on xn. तो इसको हम x बार को हम बोलेंगे या तो सैंपल मीन या मीन ऑफ द सैंपल. नेक्स्ट इज सैम्पलिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मीन्स. लेट एफ ऑफ एक्स बी द प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, या इसको हम डेंसिटी फंक्शन भी बोलते हैं, ऑफ सम गिवन पॉपुलेशन फ्रॉम विच वी ड्रॉ सैंपल ऑफ साइज n, राइट? जिसको हम या तो डेंसिटी फंक्शन बोलेंगे या तो प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ द गिवन पॉपुलेशन जिससे हमने एक सैंपल निकाला है ऑफ साइज n. Then the probability distribution of the sample mean x bar is known as, इसको बोलते हैं सैम्पलिंग distribution of the sample mean, right? Sampling distribution of the sample mean or sampling distribution of means, right? इसको बोलते हैं हम, या तो इसको बोलेंगे सैम्पलिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मीन्स या सैम्पलिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ सैम्पल मीन, राइट? नोट नंबर 1, मीन ऑफ द सैम्पलिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ मीन्स इज, इसको हम डिनोट कैसे करेंगे, इज डिनोटेड बाय ई ऑफ एक्स बार से डिनोट करेंगे हम, और म्यू इन सबस्क्रिप्ट में एक्स बार आएगा, एंड इज गिवन एज, एंड is given as e of x bar, expected value of sample mean, या mu x bar which is equal to mu, right? Where mu is mean of the population, is mean of the population, that is expected value of sample mean is the population mean, simply means जो हमारे पास एक्सपेक्टेड वैल्यू ऑफ सैंपल मीन होगी वो पॉपुलेशन मीन के इक्वल ही होगा, right? So we will prove it. It's a very simple proof, right? Since capital X1 x2 dash dash xn are random variables random variables having same distribution. These are random variable having same distribution as the population, which which have mean mu. Therefore expected value of xk, this will be equal to mu, where k means 1 2 up to n, right? Let us put this to be equation number 1. This is clear, because if these are the random sample having same distribution as a population, that means expected value or mean of all of these random variable will be the population mean mu, right? Since sample mean is defined as इसको sample mean को इस तरह से डिफाइन करते हैं 1 upon sorry x bar is equal to 1 upon n x1 plus x2 plus so on xn. Now taking expected value both side, so this implies e of x bar, this will be equal to expected value of 1 upon n x1 plus x2 plus so on xn bracket close. So using this linear property of mean, e of ax plus b, we know this result, a is constant, so this is e of x and plus b, expected value of constant is a constant itself. So this constant is in multiplication with variable, this constant is in multiplication variable, so this will be simply outside, and next is expected value of x1, expected value of x2 plus so on continue expected value of x n. Now each of these x1, e of x1, e of x2 all are mu plus so on mu, how many times? n times since of question 1, right? This is n times since of question 1, this is 1 upon n, and mu means n time means this is n time mu, so which is equal to mu, and n cancel, so that is expected value of sample mean is equal to population mean. This is what we want to prove, because e of x1, e of x2, e of xn, all of these have value mean, because we have this is the same and all the random variable have same distribution as a population, right? So that's why expected value of sample mean or mean of the sample mean is the equal to population mean. This is note number 1. Now come to note number 2. If the population is infinite and the sampling is random, या तो हमारे पास ये सिचुएशन होगी, population is infinite and sampling is random, or population is finite and sampling is with replacement, then variance of the sampling distribution of means is denoted by variance of sampling distribution में, इसको हम डिनोट करते हैं सिग्मा एक्स बार स्क्वायर एंड इज गिवन एज, इसको देंगे कैसे हम, सिग्मा एक्स बार स्क्वायर, दिस इज मीन variance of sampling distribution of means, because x bar is a sample mean, which is equal to expected value of x bar minus mu whole square, and which is equal to sigma square divided by n, where sigma square is the variance of population variance या variance of the population, right? So this is what we want to prove. Since sample mean is defined as, sample mean को हम इस तरह से डिफाइन करते हैं, x bar is equal to 1 upon n x1 plus x2 so on xn, where x1, x2, xn, these are the random variable, right? Where where x1, x2 dash dash xn are, these are independent random variables having variance sigma square. That means variance of all of these, each of these xi will be equal to sigma square, where I is equal to 1, 2 up to, and so variance of x1 is sigma square, variance of x2 is sigma square, and variance of xn is also sigma square. Let us put this to be number 1. Now taking variance of both sides of this, so this will be variance of x bar, we are taking variance of both sides of this, which is equal to variance of 1 upon n x1 plus x2 plus so on xn bracket close. Since using this property or linear property of this one, variance of ax plus b, where a, b are constant, so this is equal to a square time variance of x only. So variance of constant is zeros. Here 1 upon n is like a and x is a variable, this is a variable, so 1 upon n outside will be 1 upon n square, rest is variance of x1 plus variance of x2 plus so on variance of x, and we are using one more result here, variance of x plus minus by, इन दोनों की वैल्यू यही होती है, variance of x plus variance of by, etc. right, where x and y are independent random variables. Similarly x1, x2, xn are independent random variable, right? So this is this one, which is further equal to 1 upon n square. Variance of x1 you can see from here, this is sigma 1 sigma square, this is also sigma square plus so on, variance of xn is also sigma square because of this relation, n times sense of equation 1, so which is equal to 1 upon n square, n into sigma square, 1 n cancel, so this is sigma square divided by n, so variance of sample mean is equal to sigma square, that is variance of x bar sample mean is equal to sigma square divided by n, right? Let us put this to be equation number 2. Further if the population is of size capital N and sampling is without replacement, also sample size is small n, where this small sample size is either equal to n or less than population size, then question 2 means this one becomes variance of x bar, या तो ऐसे भी डिनोट करेंगे हम, वेरिएंस ऑफ सैंपल मीन या सिग्मा स्क्वायर x bar सैंपल मीन, so this will be equal to sigma square upon n, this is same, next additional will be here capital N minus small n and capital N minus 1, alright. Here for n approaches to infinity means if population is very very large, then you can see if population is very very large, then this sigma x square, this reduces to equation 2, then variance of sample mean means this one reduces to equation 2, तभी equation 2 यही बन जाएगी, right? Then population is very very large, in that case this variance of sample mean will become this one. This is note number 2. Now come to the note number 3. If the population from which samples are taken is normally distributed with mean mu and variance sigma square, then the sample mean is normally distributed with mean mu and variance सिग्मा स्क्वायर अपॉन n. मीन्स अगर पॉपुलेशन नॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होगी इस मीन और इस वेरिएंस के साथ, देन सैम्पल मीन मीन्स एक्स बार भी नॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड होगा विद मीन दिस बट वेरिएंस इज सिग्मा स्क्वायर n. रीजन बीइंग बिकॉज वेरिएंस ऑफ सैम्पल मीन इज सिग्मा स्क्वायर अपॉन n, दैट वी हैव जस्ट प्रूव्ड, राइट. नोट नंबर 4. If the population from which samples are taken has a probability distribution with mean mu and variance sigma square, which is not necessarily a normal distribution, then the standard variable associated with the sample mean and the standard variable associated with the sample mean x bar is given as, तब हम z की वैल्यू होगी हमारे पास z इक्वल टू x bar माइनस म्यू whole divided by sigma upon square root of n. We know then the standard variable associated with sample mean x bar is given as this will be asymptotically normal, because as usually we know in normal distribution, if x is a random variable, if x is continuous random variable, right, we know then standard normal variate is given like this one, x minus mu upon sigma, where mu, this is the mean of random variable x and sigma is the standard deviation of random variable x. Similarly here, this is the standard normal variable for sample mean. Instead of simple random variable, we have sample mean x bar. Mu is the mean of the population, and because mean of the sample mean is exactly same as that of population, we have proved in note number 1, right. And sigma upon square root of n means this is standard deviation of a sample mean, because variance of sample mean is this one, so standard deviation means square root of this one. This will be sigma upon square root of n. So this will act as a standard normal variable for the sample mean. All right, so this is all about population. Then what we have done in this lecture, population. What is population? Means large group. From this large group we take a small group, small part of this population, a large group, उसको हम sample बोलेंगे, right. And next है इसमें sample statistics. Statistic means this is a function of a random variable which is itself a random variable. Then next time हमारे पास sample mean जो मेन चीज़ है हमारे पास इसमें आई नई चीज़, सैंपल मीन, जिसको हमने एक्स बार से डिनोट किया। नेक्स्ट टाइम हमारे पास सैंपल वेरिएंस, सैंपल वेरिएंस जिसको हमने सिग्मा एक्स बार स्क्वायर से डिनोट किया। दिस इज सैंपल वेरिएंस ऑफ द सैंपल मीन या सैंपल वेरिएंस, सॉरी वेरिएंस ऑफ द सैंपल मीन, नॉट सैंपल वेरिएंस, वेरिएंस ऑफ द x bar. This is sample mean x bar and this is variance of the x bar, means variance of the sample mean sigma x square. And what we have done before this, sample और क्या चीज़ है इसमें, पॉपुलेशन, पॉपुलेशन। नेक्स्ट टेस्ट में है सैंपल स्टैटिस्टिक। ये मेन चीज़ आई हमारे पास इसमें। पॉपुलेशन इज अ लार्ज ग्रुप, इससे हमने एक स्मॉल पार्ट लिया इसका जिसको हमने सैंपल बोला, सैंपल स्टैटिस्टिक्स। दिस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ दिस इज अ फंक्शन ऑफ रैंडम वेरिएबल सैंपल मीन, देन वेरिएंस ऑफ द सैंपल मीन, राइट। सैंपल मीन को हमने एक्स बार से डिनोट किया एंड मीन ऑफ द सैंपल मीन विच इज इक्वल टू पॉपुलेशन मीन एंड वेरिएंस ऑफ द सैंपल मीन, this is equal to sigma square divided by, and we have proved this result in note number 2 and we have approved this result also in note number 1. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.